Hello everyone. Many times I'm being asked, is Tantra really for me? Should I practice it? Should I get involved with this teaching? Well, let's find out. Is Tantra for you? Let me give you some background information before you can answer this question. The Tantric teachings are all about changing and developing who you are. Every person would like to evolve in this life. We would like to become better, improve ourselves in so many ways. If you're interested in a system that can do that for you, the best that I've seen in all my career, I can definitely tell you, Tantra is that system. The Tantric teachings are extremely practical. And in the Tantric teachings we find that a human being can work on certain techniques, develop certain abilities, control energy better, and eventually even change the way that your mind works, elevate the way you think, develop improved memory. It can do so many things for you. And that's why I would say when people ask me, is Tantra for me? The answer is, if you're looking to elevate yourself, to really find a way to develop and eventually evolve as a human being, then I can tell you from many years of experience that Tantra is one of the best systems that I've ever seen that can do exactly that for you. It's easy. Everyone can do the practice. You just need to apply yourself to it. If you're interested, you're more than welcome to join us. Thank you.